Today we are going to start with the next chapter, that is reproductive health. We have learnt in earlier classes that health is a state of physical, mental, social and emotional well-being. What do we mean by reproductive health? According to World Health Organization WHO, reproductive health means a total well-being in all aspects of reproduction, that is physical, emotional, social and behavioral. Now, a society having people which are physically and functionally normal reproductive organs and which show normal emotional and behavioral interactions in them in all sex related aspects, that society can be called as reproductively healthy society. Now let us see the first topic, reproductive health, the problems and strategies associated with it. Reproductive health problems and strategies. India is the first country in the world to initiate action plans and programs at a national level to attain the reproductive health. These programs are, there are two programs. Number one, family planning, which was initiated in 1951. It is periodically assessed over past decades. Second program is the reproductive and child healthcare program, which is to create awareness among people about various reproduction related aspects and providing facilities and support for building up a reproductively healthy society. Now, with the help of audio visual aids and print media, government and non government agencies, they have taken various steps to create awareness among people about reproduction related aspects. Parents, close relatives, friends and teachers, they play a major role in transfer of the information related to the reproduction. Introduction of sex education in schools should be encouraged to provide right information to the young ones. It will also discourage the children from believing in myths and misconceptions about sex related aspects. Proper information about the reproductive organs, adolescence, and related changes, safe and hygienic sexual practices, sexually transmitted diseases, AIDS, etc. It would help the people to lead reproductively healthy life. People should be made aware to think and to take necessary steps to prevent uncontrolled population growth, sex abuse, and sex related crimes, etc. Fertile couples and those in marriageable age groups, they should be educated about available birth control options, care of pregnant mothers, postnatal care of mother and the child, importance of breastfeeding, equal opportunities for male and female child, etc. Successful implementation of various action plans to attain reproductive health requires क्या क्या चाहिए, strong infrastructure, professional expertise and maternal support, and this will lead to provide medical care to people in reproduction related problems like infertility, contraception, delivery, STDs, pregnancy, etc. Some important programs in this connection are: number one, ban on amniocentesis. Amniocentesis is a sex determination test in the fetal stage. It is based upon the chromosomal patterns in amniotic fluid around developing embryo. When the embryo develops inside the uterus, it is surrounded with a fluid called amniotic fluid. With the help of a very thin needle, that amniotic fluid can be taken out during the earlier months of pregnancy, and that amniotic fluid, it contains various cells from the developing embryo, और उन cells का हम पूरा कैरियोटाइप प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं. मीन्स ऑल द क्रोमोसोम्स दे आर अरेंज्ड इन द डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ देयर साइज. ये टेस्ट बेसिकली तो किस लिए था कि कोई जेनेटिक डिसऑर्डर, ट्राइसोमी, मोनोसोमी, डबल ट्राइसोमी, डबल मोनोसोमी, कुछ ऐसा तो नहीं है, उसको डिटेक्ट करने के लिए था. बट व्हेन ऑल द 23 पेयर्स आर अरेंज्ड इन अ शोइंग अ ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन, तो जो 23rd पेयर है क्रोमोसोम्स का, सेक्स पेयर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम, वो भी आ जाता है. तो उससे क्या होता है, वी आर एबल टू know that whether the individual is having XX or XY chromosomes. तो लोगों ने उस प्रैक्टिस को तो छोड़ दिया, जेनेटिक डिसऑर्डर्स को, और बेसिकली इस टेस्ट को किसके लिए कंसिडर करने लगे, टू डिटरमाइन द सेक्स ऑफ द इंडिविजुअल. सो दिस बैन ऑन दिस टेस्ट, amniocentesis, was done to check the female feticide. And massive child immunization. Research on various reproduction related areas is encouraged and supported by government and non-government agencies to find out new methods and to improve the existing methods. For example, CDRI Lucknow, that is Central Drug Research Institute, it has developed a new oral contraceptive called Saheli, which is an oral pill to be taken weekly as a contraceptive measure. Better awareness, increase in number of medically assisted deliveries, and better postnatal care, it has led to decrease in maternal mortality rate and infant mortality rate, and it has also led to increase in number of couples with small families, better detection and cure of STDs, and finally improved reproductive health of the society. So this topic is a essay type question. It can come in the form of a essay type question. What are the problems and strategies associated with the reproductive health? And there can be small questions also. What are the two programs initiated by Indian government to attain reproductive health? इसमें कौन से आएंगे two programs? First is the family planning and second is RCH. These programs, they will be considered. So this can come in the form of a 5-mark question also, essay type question, but how you have to write, I have represented that.